Being called as heart of the Silk Road, this city is visited by thousands of tourists every year. The Afrasiab train, and we are always ready to serve our dear guests. The Samarkand is one of the main starting points of Great Silk Road. The ancient Samarkand is one of the oldest cities, not only in Uzbekistan, but all over the world. Samarkand, it's as old as like Rome and Babylon. In order to communicate with tourists coming from all over the world, we learn different languages, and we will never stop working on ourselves. Our noble path and purpose are one. Our direction is Tashkent, Samarkand.